Hello everyone, the buses from ChoroQ keep coming in. Today it says E-Wing. So I did a search for that. It seems to be a bus company called Entetsu, and this is an airport express bus to the Hamamatsu airport. That's what my research tells me. This toy is from 2006. Alright, okay. That's it. I don't know if the images behind here are what it's supposed to be because I haven't opened this box. We're gonna find out though. I mean, it does say E-Wing on the photographs. Maybe it is supposed to be this. The glass comes down like that. There's a little glass window there. Yeah, I would say this is supposed to be that bus. 4 headlights. 4 headlights. Sure. What about the rear? Yeah, it has that type of rear tail light as well. And then this weird like window cut down here. So I think I actually guessed correctly. Alright. Ooh. Nice wheels. I don't know if I could even see the wheels in the packaging, but I don't think I've ever seen these wheels before from ChoroQ, but they look like bus wheels. Just highly chromed out. Alright. So you got the lug nut details and the hole details, and this thing's concave, this one's convex. The tampo printing on the side is pretty nice. I do like that clear window down there. Some indication of some seat headrests there. The front, yeah, molded headlights in the grille here. Strange there's no license plate though. It's just a green blank plate. And then I get, oh, there's the driver's seat. I'm not sure why there's a giant wall like that, but it's funny how small the seat is in comparison to the rest of the width. Strange. Alright, that's alright. Tampo printed pretty much everything. So this bus body is relatively smooth. The only physical details I can see are this groove, the headlights, the grille. But yeah, everything else is just tampo printed. I mean, the wheel fender flares a little bit. The bumper's got a tiny protrusion, but the back otherwise is perfectly smooth. I'm going to have to imagine this body is used a lot, and they just print on a bunch of different types of, liveries, different bus companies and stuff. Okay, let's see about the bottom here. It says 04 on the bottom. I think that packaging said it was newer than that, so yeah, this casting spray been around for a while. Screw to the front, tab in the back. That's interesting. There's actually a brake right here. And so like this fender flare, I think is a separate piece. You see? There's a brake. Where does it stop? That's strange. It just kind of vanishes around there. Unless it's... No, there must be a whole brake there. That's a really weird way to construct this thing. Yeah. So the base... Well, maybe the base is actually separate. This is a separate piece from this, which is separate from the top of the body. There's a lot of stuff going on in this, but yet it's so plain looking. Oh well, weird. Whoop, sorry. The camera's so low to the table to get this angle. It's so easy to knock around. Let's look at a couple other buses here. Here's a Keihan. I think this is a shuttle bus also possibly to the airport. I can't recall though, to be honest with you. I think this is an airport shuttle bus too. Hokuto? I wonder if that's the same body. No, that's got a break on the top part between the glass, so that's not the same casting. Alright. Just looking through my bus collection. I don't think I have any other shuttle buses, just some city buses. Alright, well anyways, I'll throw up some different types of buses. That thing is a ChoroQ articulated bus. This next one is by Tiny. It's Q bus, and obviously a modern double-decker. I think it's supposed to be running around Hong Kong or Kowloon or something like that. Alright. Well, my bus collection continues to grow. So, this is a really plain bodied bus, but so there's definitely better buses if you're looking for molded details. But this thing was pretty cheap, so that's why I bought it. And it's different from the other molds, even though it is really simple. So I guess I'm happy to have it. It's really strange that driver's seat though is so small, and there's a lack of license plates on this thing as well. Oh well. Anyways, thank you for watching, and guess I'll see you in the next bus review. Bye bye.